Hi students, this is Sahib sir, your chemistry mentor. Today we are going to discuss about fuel cells in electrochemistry lesson, second year intermediate. Okay, what is fuel cell? By combustion of fuels like hydrogen CH4 and methanol, and it converts this energy into electric energy. That cells called as fuel cells. That cells are galvanic cells. Here the combustion energy, which energy students? The combustion energy. This combustion energy converts into electric energy. What is galvanic cell? The chemical energy converts into electric energy is the galvanic cell. What is fuel cell? The combustion energy converts into electric energy by combustion of fuels like hydrogen, methane, methanol. Okay, these are the fuel cells. What is the importance of fuel cells? Fuel cells are high energy giving cells than thermal energy. There is no any pollution due to the fuel cells, and also it is used for higher energy requirement rockets. Okay, that is the uses of fuel cells. What is the structure of fuel cells and how it works? Let's go. What is the best example for fuel cell is H2O2 fuel cell. Hydrogen oxygen fuel cell is the best example. Okay, what is the structure of fuel cell? This is the structure of fuel cell. Once see the points. In this cell, platinum coated two graphite electrodes. Platinum coated two graphite electrodes are dipped into concentrated NaOH or KOH electrolyte. This electrolyte is NaOH or KOH electrolyte. In these, two electrodes are dipped, that is anode and cathode. These are graphites. These cathode anode electrodes are graphites coated with finely divided platinum. Here platinum is using as catalyst. Okay, here platinum, why platinum coated electrodes are dipped in this electrolyte? This platinum acts as catalyst. Okay, O2 oxygen is supplied from cathode side and hydrogen gas is supplied from anode side. Oxygen and hydrogens are supplied into electrolyte. Okay, then what happens? The reactions, oxidation reduction reactions occurs at electrodes. Then what happens? Oxygen undergoes reduction at cathode. Oxygen undergoes at reduction at cathode, and at the same time H2 gas undergoes oxidation at anode and gives energy as well as H2O also. That is this H2O. H2O is also gives the fuel cell of H2O2 fuel cells. Already we discussed about it is used as fuel in rockets, and no pollution due to the fuel cells, and 70% more energy gives than thermal energy. Actually thermal cells gives 40% energy, but this efficiency of fuel cells is 70%. Okay, what is the reactions occur in fuel cells? The reactions, what are the reactions? At anode, what happens? At anode actually happens oxidation. Which undergoes oxidation? H2 undergoes oxidation. This H2 receives electrons and OH minus ions. That's from the OH minus ions from electrolytes NaOH or KOH, which is we are used, that is plus OH minus plus electron, sorry, OH minus ions gives H2O. Okay, when we balance the reaction, this is 2H2, this is 4OH, this is 4H2O and 4 electrons. What is this reaction? Oxidation, because H2 converts into H2O. This is 0 oxidation state and here is +1 oxidation state and gives electrons. These electrons traveled through cathode and here oxygen receives that electrons and undergoes reduction. At cathode, what happens? Oxygen receives 4 electrons. Oxygen receives 4 electrons and reacts with this water, which is produced by H2 under oxidation. Reacts with 2H2O and forms 4OH minus ions. 4OH minus ions. This is reduction. Okay, students, these are the reactions at anode and cathode. At anode, hydrogen gas undergoes oxidation with receiving of 4OH minus ions that are from KOH or NaOH. Okay, let's go the total reaction of the fuel cell of H2O2. OH are cancelled. 4 electrons are cancelled. Here how many H2Os are there? 2. Here 4. So 2 cancel, here 2. Remaining 2. The total cell reaction is 2H2 plus O2 gives how many H2Os remaining? 2 H2Os. This is total cell reaction. Okay, students, here what happens? 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2. When we divide it by 2, what happens? Here 2 is cancelled, 2 is cancelled. Here is by 2, that is H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. This is the H2O2 fuel cell stoichiometric reaction. Here how many H2s are there? 1 mole. And how many O2s are there? Half mole. And H2Os are 1 mole. This relation is very important for further problems to solve. Okay, students, this is fuel cell. It is used for the fuel in rockets. Best example for fuel cells are oxygen and hydrogen fuel cell. Okay, thank you, students.